Introducing MUI Perfume, a fresh, long-lasting scent made for everyday use. To promote our perfume, we use Canva to create eye-catching designs and promos easily.
Oh my god! This is so hard! I don't know how to make my project look good.
Why don't you try Canva? It's super easy to use, even for beginners.
Canva has thousands of ready-made templates for posters, social media, and presentations, and more.
Just drag and drop images, change colors and fonts. No design skills needed.
Use your design for school project, events, or even business promotions.
Join millions of users and start creating amazing designs today. Try Canva for free. And to make buying and managing our perfume easier, we use a few tools. GCash for payments, fast and cashless. Inventory tool to track our stock. Experience the fresh, long-lasting scent of MUI perfume today.